Good morning. It's Sunday, and it's hot, but we're about to quench our thirst. Not with water, though. With the only thing that makes sense. Watermelon sorbet. Let's do this.
Meet summer's MVP, Watermelon Lime Sorbet. We're talking real watermelon, a splash of lime, and just enough sweetness to keep things perfectly chill. One bite, and you'll wonder why you didn't make this sooner.
We're starting with the watermelon reduction, just a small portion. This concentrates the flavor without adding anything else. This helps keep the texture clean and the watermelon flavor front and center.
We're kicking things off with the star of the show, a mountain of fresh watermelon, sliced up and ready for action. A quick trip to the stove works a little magic, concentrating all that juicy sweetness before we send it spinning in the blender with a splash of lime, a kiss of zest, and just enough sugar to keep things balanced. A drizzle of honey or corn syrup sneaks in for smoothness, then it's all whirled into liquid sunshine. One final strain and boom, you've got yourself the silkiest, most refreshing base for watermelon lime sorbet.
Now that our base is super cold, we're gonna churn it until it has the texture of a slushie and smooth. Kinda like a frozen margarita, only G-rated. After that, into the freezer for scoopability.
Time to bring this sorbet to life. The base is chilled and ready, so we give it a quick stir and pour it into Phyllis, our trusty ice cream maker. While she gets all dressed up with ice and salt, a flip of the switch and the magic begins. Before long, it's smooth, frosty perfection, ready to be tucked into its container and sent off to the freezer. And when it's finally time to scoop, pure refreshing bliss, finished with that last glorious scoop on top.
It's juicy, it's tart, it's the kind of sorbet that makes you forget that you were sweating through your shirt 5 minutes ago. The lime in here is punchy, the honey is silky, and the watermelon is summer magic in a cup. Serve it solo, dress it up with some flaky sea salt and lemon zest, or turn it into the float of your dreams. I'm gonna use this to cool off right now, so I'll see you next Sunday.